Copper range hoods are a stunning addition to any kitchen, adding warmth, elegance, and a touch of rustic charm. However, to maintain their beauty and functionality, they require proper care and cleaning. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the best practices for cleaning a copper range hood, ensuring it remains a focal point in your kitchen for years to come. Whether you have a hammered copper range hood, a custom copper hood, or a combination of copper and stainless steel, the following tips will help you keep it in pristine condition. Understanding your copper range hood. Before diving into the cleaning process, it's important to understand the unique properties of copper. Copper is a reactive metal that develops a natural patina over time, giving it a distinctive, aged appearance. This patina not only adds character, but also protects the metal from corrosion. However, if you prefer the shiny new look of your copper range hood, regular cleaning and maintenance are essential. Tools and materials you'll need. To clean your copper range hood, gather the following tools and materials: mild dish soap, warm water, soft cloth or sponge, microfiber cloth, lemon juice or vinegar, baking soda, salt, commercial copper cleaner, optional, protective gloves. Step-by-step cleaning process. Step 1. Regular cleaning. For everyday maintenance, follow these steps. Turn off and cool down. Ensure your gas range and range hood are turned off and have cooled down before cleaning. Dust and wipe. Use a soft cloth or microfiber cloth to dust off any loose particles. Then, wipe the surface with a cloth dampened with warm, soapy water. This will remove grease and grime buildup. Rinse and dry. Rinse the cloth with clean water and wipe down the range hood to remove any soap residue. Dry thoroughly with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. Step 2. Deep cleaning. For more thorough cleaning, especially if your copper range hood has developed a patina you wish to remove, follow these steps. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix lemon juice or vinegar with salt to create a natural, effective cleaner. Alternatively, you can use a commercial copper cleaner. Apply the solution, dip a soft cloth or sponge into the solution, and gently rub it onto the copper surface in circular motions. Avoid using abrasive materials that can scratch the metal. Rinse and dry. Rinse the range hood with warm water and dry it thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. Step 3. Removing tough stains. For tough stains or tarnish, use a paste made from baking soda and water. Make the paste, combine baking soda and a small amount of water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the stained areas and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Scrub and rinse. Gently scrub with a soft cloth, rinse with warm water and dry thoroughly. Maintenance. Tips for copper range hoods. Avoid harsh chemicals. Never use harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners on your copper range hood as they can damage the finish. Protect the surface. Consider applying a thin layer of beeswax or a copper protectant to maintain the shine and protect the surface from tarnishing. Clean regularly. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of grease and grime, making deep cleaning easier and less frequent. Handle with care. When cleaning, always use soft cloths or sponges to avoid scratching the copper surface. Complementing your copper range hood. Other copper elements in your kitchen can beautifully complement a copper range hood. Here are some ideas to create a cohesive look. Copper kitchen faucets add a cohesive touch to your kitchen design. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water keeps them looking new and prevents tarnish. A custom copper kitchen sink is a stunning focal point. Like your range hood, it requires gentle cleaning to maintain its shine. Avoid acidic foods sitting in the sink for long periods to prevent stains. For a luxurious touch, consider a custom copper bathtub. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water, followed by thorough drying, keeps it looking beautiful. Handcrafted cabinet hardware in copper can tie together the look of your kitchen. Clean these pieces with a damp cloth to keep them free of fingerprints and tarnish. A custom copper mural can add a unique artistic element to your kitchen. Regular dusting and occasional gentle cleaning will preserve its beauty. The versatility of copper in kitchen design. Copper's versatility extends beyond range hoods. It can be used in various kitchen elements to create a cohesive and elegant design. Consider incorporating the following. Hammered copper range hoods offer a textured look that hides fingerprints and minor scratches. They require the same gentle cleaning methods to maintain their unique appearance. Hammered copper kitchen sinks add texture and visual interest. Regular cleaning and prompt drying prevent water spots and tarnish. For a modern touch, custom stainless range hoods can be combined with the copper elements. Stainless steel is easy to clean and complements the warm tones of copper. Why choose Akikon for your custom copper needs? For high-quality copper kitchen elements and professional craftsmanship, Akicon is your go-to source. Whether you need a custom copper hood, handcrafted cabinet hardware, or a custom copper mural, Akicon delivers exceptional products and services. Our experienced team ensures every piece is crafted with precision and care, adding value and beauty to your home. Call us today at 888-828-2025 to explore their extensive range of copper products and discover how we can transform your kitchen. Trust Akicon for all your copper needs and enjoy the timeless elegance and durability of our handcrafted creations. By following these cleaning and maintenance tips, you can keep your copper range hood looking stunning and ensure it remains a standout feature in your kitchen. With the right care, your copper range hood will continue to impress and serve as a testament to the timeless appeal of copper in kitchen design.